Assessment Idea Generator AI is a brand new tool that promises to revolutionize the way you create assessment ideas for your business or educational needs. If you're looking for an AI that can generate fresh, relevant, and tailored assessment ideas on the fly, this might just be the solution you need. But before diving in, I'll give you 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this software. First, let's talk about how it works. The Assessment Idea Generator AI is designed to help you quickly come up with various types of assessment ideas based on the input you provide. Whether you're a teacher looking for test questions, a business needing evaluation metrics, or even a content creator developing quizzes for engagement, this tool is incredibly versatile. The AI doesn't just generate random questions. It crafts ideas that are contextually relevant, saving you hours of brainstorming. The AI also learns from user feedback, improving its suggestions over time. This means that the more you use it, the smarter it gets, providing you with even more accurate and valuable assessment ideas as it gathers data. Think of it as a tool that gets better at predicting your needs with every use. So whether you're in education, corporate training, or content creation, it's a perfect match for all kinds of assessment requirements. Now, one of the best features is the customization options. You can specify exactly what you need. You can enter certain parameters, such as the subject, difficulty level, or the type of assessment, multiple choice, short answer, etc. And the AI will tailor the ideas accordingly. This flexibility ensures you're always getting relevant, actionable ideas that fit your specific criteria. Another standout feature is how user-friendly the interface is. The software is designed with simplicity in mind, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find it easy to navigate. It's intuitive, and the learning curve is minimal, which is a major win when you're short on time and need results fast. If you've ever struggled with writer's block or finding new ways to assess learners or clients, this AI could be your new best friend. The Assessment Idea Generator AI helps overcome these hurdles, allowing you to keep your content fresh and engaging with minimal effort. You no longer have to worry about coming up with new test ideas or metrics manually. Let the AI handle it for you. Now, you're probably wondering about the pricing. The good news is you can actually try the software for free from the first link in the description below. This is a great opportunity to explore all its features and see if it fits your needs before committing to a paid plan. But what makes this software truly stand out is its potential for long-term use. It's not just a one-time tool. It's a solution that can grow with your business, educational efforts, or content creation, constantly evolving and improving based on your feedback. As you continue using it, you'll see just how much time it can save you. Generating ideas manually is time-consuming, but this AI streamlines the process, allowing you to focus on other areas of your work. It's a true productivity booster. So, if you're ready to try the Assessment Idea Generator AI for yourself, click the first link below for a free trial. I've personally tested thousands of AI tools over the years, and I've found some real gems that truly help streamline your work. Check out the description for my recommended AI tools that you can try for free. With its advanced capabilities, ease of use, and personalized results, the Assessment Idea Generator AI is an absolute must-try for anyone serious about boosting productivity and generating top-notch assessment ideas.